Want to create a Monzo invoice fast and professionally? In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to generate and send an invoice using the Monzo app, including how to preview it and add a payment link. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Monzo app and head to the Get Paid tab. From here, tap Create Invoice. This will open a blank invoice template for you. Step 2. Next, enter your customer's details and fill in the invoice fields, things like item descriptions, prices, and due date. Once done, tap Continue. Step 3. After filling in the details, toggle on the payment link option. This lets your customer pay directly using the invoice. Step 4. If you want to see what your customer will receive, tap Preview. Just note, the preview won't include the invoice number or payment link yet. That gets added in the final step. Step 5. Now tap Create Invoice. Monzo will generate the full invoice, add the invoice number and payment link, and show you a summary. You can also tap Invoice PDF or View Your Payment link to double-check what your customer will see. Bonus tip: you can track when the invoice is viewed or paid right inside the Monzo app. Super handy for freelancers and small business owners. And that's how you create an invoice in Monzo. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!